welcome back to Techie Expert. I am Alisha Chandrakar and today we are going to talk about cloud computing. In simple words, cloud computing is the delivery of computing services including servers, storage, databases networking, software analytics and intelligence over the internet, which means the cloud. To offer faster innovation, flexible resources and economies of scale, you typically pay only for cloud services you use, helping lower your operating costs, run your infrastructure more efficiently, and scale as your business needs change. The popularity of cloud computing has transformed how companies do business. This transformation is inevitable. Industries around the world are deploying the latest technological innovation to help their businesses succeed. Since this solution provides more flexibility and better data management options, companies are now realizing the significance of cloud computing for enterprise software development. According to CISCO, cloud data centers now process almost 94% of all workloads. Technology is gaining traction and altering our personal and professional life with every single day. The cloud computing business is likewise developing a quicker pace in terms of cloud computing. There are a number of intriguing and exciting developments happening. Both the new and existing business industries have welcomed them. By 2023, the worldwide cloud computing industry is anticipated to have grown to $623.3 billion. So now let us see some of the cloud computing trends for 2021. First is Cloud AI. One of the most significant new trends for gaining access to massive data sets is the AI-enabled cloud. Using machine learning, they may use this data to optimize their key capabilities. Artificial intelligence is also used to tackle a variety of cloud-related challenges. As a result, cloud computing services will be the only way to scale up AI systems that create enormous amounts of data. Cloud computing, on the other hand, will enable AI to do quicker computations and better resource management. Second is improving SaaS operation. More specialist solutions such as Better Cloud, Cloud Manager, and others are developing to handle migrations and operations as SaaS becoming more popular. It makes it possible to administer full solution suites such as Google G Suite, Microsoft Office 365, and other popular SaaS solutions. Next is appearance of private cloud. Previously, businesses approached the public with no clear goal or direction. However, after corporations discovered the security risks and expenses of using the public cloud, it became less appealing. Rebuilding private cloud infrastructure will be driven by the demand for improved security and efficiency. Next is quantum computing. Computer performance will undoubtedly improve in future years. Without a question, however, quantum computing will be required to make this viable. Computer will be able to transform information at a quicker rate and thanks to quantum computing. In this sense, cloud computing is equally crucial for increasing processing power and performance. Next is multi-cloud to omni-cloud. In recent years, multi-level cloud has gained a lot of traction in the commercial world. Many businesses have begun to use cloud computing in their operations. It is expected as more portable apps enable smoother communication, the multi-cloud will become omni-cloud in the coming years. Next is cloud-native application. As cloud-based solutions evolve, it is critical that businesses provide products to the use of the cloud as well. In the future years, the growth of the cloud-native app will accelerate. As a result, open source project management platform will be widely used. Next is integrated blockchain technology. Blockchain is a fantastic technology that allows companies to track the many phases of the life cycle of the product. When the cloud is combined with blockchain technology, it allows organizations to have a deeper understanding of items and their associated characteristics. Other information like product contamination and weather delays may be obtained, potentially saving corporations millions of dollars. This technique has already been implemented by a large number of businesses and it will continue to expand in the future years. The next trend is containerization by industry giants. Containerization technology will be quickly and successfully embraced by industries. As a result of the trend of cloud computing sector will begin working on containerization efforts as soon as possible. It will pick up speed shortly, and major corporations like Amazon and Microsoft will invest in their own containerization software suites. Next trend is enhanced security. As is customary, one of the most significant issues of every company organization is security, and organizations do not want to rely on any third-party security solution. However, because security is so much important, firms that can't afford or don't have the resources to implement in-house security solutions must rely on third parties. Cloud service providers will give better security choices to their clients in the future years. Next trend is intelligent SaaS machine learning. Machine learning is among the most widely used technologies within an impact of all SaaS and IT processes. Artificial intelligence and machine learning have radically changed how people operate. Artificial intelligence and machine learning have a number of qualities that are very beneficial, and there won't be a product that isn't regarded as clever in the future. Next trend is Kubernetes. Kubernetes is a management solution development by Google that had a big impact on the worldwide economy. Kubernetes have been embraced by many businesses as a way to overcome cloud limitations. Kubernetes is generating enthusiasm and making industry aspiration a reality thanks to its unique offering from cloud infrastructure providers. The trends that I talked about here are some of the most significant in the cloud computing business in 2021. According to current trends, the cloud will continue to develop and gain in popularity in the coming years. Cloud-based services will be more efficient, accessible, and adaptable. If you like this video, please do like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching Techie Experts.